Let's do something a little bit different today. You guys are still stuck with me, okay? Um, our boats have been sitting in this water now for about 6, 8 weeks. Our two-man boats, both of them are identical. This is a 24, this is a 22, but they're virtually made the same way. Let me show you this. See those plugs? Those plugs right there? You got one on each pontoon. You see it? Okay. You see all the water inside? Okay. It leaks through the seals. It leaks through here when the rain comes, and also in the rear. Okay. Right through here as well. It leaks. It takes on water in the hull. Okay. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to put you guys up on the pedestal. I'm just going to put you up there, and we're going to drain the boats. Okay. These boats will last you 30, 35, 40 years. I keep selling mine, and I keep getting a brand new one. All right, so let's get to it. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. If this helps anybody out there, because if you decide to wait till spring to get out on your boat and it's had water in it, it can cause you some problems. Okay, these are your drains right here. There's one, there's two. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the proper way how to drain them. Got to take off the motor, got to take off the seat. You can see the water in there right there. Very simple stuff. Very, very simple stuff. Thanks so much, guys, for joining me. 2025 is right around the corner, and spring is right upon us. Hey! All we're going to do, guys, is just pull these out. Pull the plugs out. One. And two. We just pull right out. a little bit heavier. Has more water in it, so it won't move. My job is to get the back end up first. You have 2 people to make it a whole lot easier. But for me, I'm the only person. Okay. Let's pull the plug. Remember I told you about the plugs in the front? We always pull them. Double check them. Watch, this one here has been draining already. Let me turn you a little bit better. Scoot it up a little bit more. Look, while I'm doing all this work, look at Marty. Look at him over there, sitting on top of the boat, just over there just watching. He could at least offer a helping hand. What you think? All right, let's get back in the water. Plugs are out. We're just gonna lift it right up there. That's all it takes. Let it sit for a little while, let some of that water drain off. If you had 2 people, it would be a little bit better. I wanted to take the camera off so I can show you guys these portholes. See them? Right there. Okay, they're already pre-installed. All of them have them. Look, that one right there has them too. One for each pontoon. Okay, so the water's still running out right now. Let me see if I can show it to you. See how light it is now? It's getting drained out. Okay, that one over there is draining right now. Matter of fact, let me see if I can pull it up with one hand. See, there we go. That makes it easy. All the water's gone. See, that's it. Okay. I'm gonna pull this one up a little bit. Matter of fact, let me put you back on pedestal now. As the water drains, it gets lighter and lighter. Okay, been draining for a minute. See if we can pull it up just a touch. See? Just let it drain a little bit more. Matter of fact, you can see the. Let's see if I can take you off. See it draining? It's just about drained off. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the portholes again. Son of a gun, still heavy. Here we go. Let's hop back down there. See it draining? Okay, so if you leave that water in the hull, when you push it out, you're getting ready to go fishing, guys, it's going to be hard to steer. Water's going to start coming over the bow where you're sitting up front. and that could cause you problems. So all of these tennies are like that. I'm out of breath. Man, I'm getting old. So you want to take time out and do this, especially if you're going to store it for the winter. You can see it's still draining now. And sometimes I just pull them up on shore. Okay, I don't flip them over. Some of them I flip over. If I know I'm going to be gone for 3 or 4 months, I'll flip them over. But if I'm only going to be gone for another 3 weeks, I'm just going to leave it up there up top, like I got that second one right there. Guys, if you live near Atlanta, Georgia, you need one used, you need one brand new, I can ship it directly to your door. I can ship it with 2-3 different packages. I can ship it stripped down to you. I can ship it with the battery, motor, everything brand new, never been in the water before, seats, rods, reels, backpack, tackle box. I can ship it to you with all the bells and whistles, okay, MSRP, with all of my top grade stuff. You know, you just go to camscrappiehole.com and you just figure out which package that you want. And listen, I can ship it directly to your door. All you got to do is find the water. Add water and you're ready to fish, okay? Let's see how it's doing now. Just about finished. I'm going to pull up on it a little bit more. The other pontoon over there on the other side is still a little bit. Still got some water in it. Oh, here we go. It was lighter than what I anticipated. You can still hear a little bit of water in there, okay? And this is what I do to get that other bit of water out. Very simple. Just take it and just flip it over. I'm gonna watch my, there we go. Let me pull this back just a little bit. There we go. Boom. That's all it takes. Look. They got the portholes at the top just for this. Okay? You can also put a chair underneath there and that'll get all of it out. And once you get finished, take the plug, push it back in, pop it down. That's all it takes. Listen, you guys have any other further questions? You know how to reach me. My name's Cam, Cam's Crappie Hole. Can you guys believe that? 11 years I've been doing this. Incredible. You can see I'm sweating too. I'm getting ready for spring. Guys, everything that you see, the boat packages are right down there in the description. You just sit back in the comforts of your own home. If you need to get in contact with me, you guys know how to reach me. My phone number will probably be at the top. If you have any questions, you want used or you want brand new, I can show you love depending on your budget. You hit me, Cam. I got a small budget. What do you have? I'll send you the number. You decide whether it fits your budget or not. Very, very simple. I don't play games with anybody, okay? This is your boy Cam, Cam's Crappie Hole. Until next time, keep those hooks wet, keep those lines tight, and we'll see you on the next turn. Look at this little guy. Look at this little guy. He's in this pot, this little turtle. Look at him. Look at him. We're gonna let him go. He's not afraid at all either, is he? He just hangs out. He got webbed feet too. Look at that. How freaking cool is that?